Good morning everyone. I am Anushka Yadav from class 11th A from school PM Shri Kendriya Vidyalaya number 3 Agra Kent. Today me and my team are going to present a project that we made under Viksit Bharat Buildathon. The theme is Atmanirbhar Bharat. Member Priyanshu Tyagi will define the project.
So, our project is mainly focused on the problem that faced by the villagers of small villages, which facing problems from very last years that they don't know about the live prices of the item that they want to sell. If they know, they can sell it on the best prices they want to sell. According to due to this, the farmers got a very loss of money there. That's why they have to suffer very much, and their family also suffer very much, as middlemen and shopkeepers offers a low amount to buy the product that made by farmer, but or shopkeepers sell it in high prices to earn more. That's why it is the main concern that every villager have to know about the real prices, what will be the real prices. Now the solution will lead by my third teammate Pankaj Kumar.
So what we have done here, we built a prototype website which is run on Python. Basically, the main code is done in Python with the help of the SQLite. So the prototype is a website in which the administrator will change the prices and select the region. After selecting the region, he will show the item which is going to be sold and change its price according to the current mandi or that place's local share wholesale price.
So now I conclude this overall project. In this project, the farmers can easily find out the real time prices at mandi, so that they didn't get cheated and didn't used to sell the items at the low prices. They have sell their prices on however they want to sell, however the prices they want to sell. So this is our project. The name of the project is Aapki Mandi. Thank you.